In this video, we will learn how we can do screen sharing on Google Meet. To do screen sharing, firstly open the following page, meet.google.com, or you can open its app as well. Now for the demo purpose, I will start a new meeting by clicking new meeting button, then click on start instant meeting. Now the meeting has been started. For the demo purpose, I will add another person so I can share a screen. To add another person, I can share this link or click on add others, then add their email and send them an invitation. Now the other person has been added. Now to screen share, click on the following icon which says share screen. Now you will get the following screen which allows you to share your current tab, which is Chrome tab. You can also share window or you can share your entire screen. For the demo purpose, I will share my window which has opened the YouTube page. So I will select it and then I will click share. The screen sharing has been started. Now click show my screen anyway. The other person can now see my screen. So this is how you can do screen sharing in Google Meet. Now to stop the screen sharing, click again on this screen sharing icon, then click stop sharing. So this is how you can do screen sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.